A mascot colorfully depicts a company's personality and brand promise, ensuring that it stands out among its competitors and is a company that homeowners can feel comfortable welcoming into their homes.
Hey, I'm here with Mike Gidich from Honey Dudes. We worked with Mike on his rebrand. We're 6 months into the rebrand. We changed the name from MDG Maintenance, I think it was.
I don't even remember, Dan. It doesn't matter.
MDG Maintenance. It had some really weird clip art guy. And now we renamed you Honey Dudes, Handyman. So what's going on? How's it been received? What's it done for the business?
Sorry, I'm already getting emotional and energetic. It's the perceived value from our clients. The LSA ads now, which most recently in the past couple of weeks, we've noticed our LSA leads are going down and the calls are a lot more organic. Hey, I saw your trucks. It's pretty amazing to hear people like, what, they think we just imported all these magical trucks out of nowhere and we have no more trucks than we had before. What it's done for our team is awesome to watch a bunch of grown men come together and get so excited about something. And just for our clients, it's just so awesome to see because it is who we are. You guys just nailed who we are. We're not, the big burly guys on there. We're a bunch of softies and really do care. And when you pull up in that van, it just shows that right away. And our clients love it and they just feel connected right away. It's hard to explain.
What about things like average tickets? Like, what have you seen happening with that?
Our average tickets are going up. Our closing rates are going up. That value is definitely built in right from get-go. It's not, there's less arguing on the price.
Right,
and the people that call us know what they're getting the minute they call. I'll tell you the most interesting part is, Matt and I talked about this yesterday, is we don't explain what we do anymore. I didn't realize how much time and energy we were doing explaining to our clients and customers what we were doing.
Because the word maintenance in the name, like people didn't know what that actually stood for.
With all the bullet points on the van and
So what's the plan now? We've got this really amazing mascot that we developed for you. We're going to use him in community events, right? That's part of what we're going to do in the future, get him made into a real mascot.
Absolutely. As you know, I had the Mikey mascot and he's since been evicted.
We had to fire him.
We're going to get him made into a mascot. It's going to become part of him. In fact, our team's got a little naming contest going on right now for the bear, the bee, and for our program's going to be for our clients and repeat business people. So
awesome. Have you had to hire any new people since it rolled out?
Yeah, we actually hired Rapid Hire Pro to help us start hiring, and it's just really easy to market to people. We're getting a much better base of people and quality of applicant now. So,
and you said just driving the van, people pointing to it and looking at you guys, stopping you.
Yeah, as just to get this thing launched, I fully wrap my truck. I want people to want this brand out there, and it's awesome at the gym, anywhere I go. It's just people are taking pictures, and you feel like the paparazzis are after you.
Awesome, bro. Well, listen, we're so grateful to have the opportunity to work with you guys to help you with this. I think where you're going to take this, it's just going to be this thing that blows up, and we're so grateful to be a part of it. So thank you so much for trusting the team and having us put this together for you, man. So
I can tell anyone that's thinking of working with you guys, you're not going to find anybody better. I'm so passionate about your team. I mean, it's so amazing what you guys do, how much you care. It's more than a job. It's your life and your world, and you genuinely care about what your product you put out, and it's just so awesome, and that resonates in our brand, and we've developed a friendship, and I love that.
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks, pal.